Hi, Nimal. How are you?
Hi, Gayan. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. Did you finish your math homework?
Yes, I did. It was hard.
Really, I found it easy.
You are good at math. I am not.
I can help you if you want.
That would be great. Thanks.
What was the hardest part for you?
The word problems, they are tricky.
I understand. Let's look at one together.
Okay, here's one I couldn't solve.
Read it to me.
If John has 5 apples and gives 2 away, how many does he have left?
That's easy. He has 3 apples left.
Oh right, I get confused sometimes.
It's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks, you're a good friend.
No problem. What other homework do you have?
I have a science project.
What is your project about?
It's about the solar system.
That fun. Comma, do you need help?
Yes, I need to make a model.
I made one last year. I can show you how.
That would be awesome.
Do you have all the materials?
I need some clay and paint.
Let's go to the store after school.
Great idea, thanks.
What else do you need to do?
I need to write a report.
How long does it have to be?
It has to be 3 pages.
You can do it. Just start with an outline.
Good tip, I will try that.
Do you want to study together this weekend?
Yes, let's meet at the library.
Good. See you there.
See you, thanks again.